This is the old paper £20, which is now from today replaced with the new Polymer £20 note. You will still be able to use the paper £20 note until they withdraw it from circulation. The Bank of England will set a date in which you will no longer be able to use the paper £20 note. Check out the website for more information. Now this Polymer note has similar security features like the £5 and the £10 Polymer notes. Some of the security features on this note which I'd like to show you is the hologram image, which changes the text from 20 to pounds. See-through windows which contains the Margate lighthouse and the Queen's portrait. A silver foil patch contains a 3D image of the coronation crown. A round purple foil patch contains the letter T. Under a good quality ultraviolet light, the number 20 appears in bright red and green. Now the size compared to the old note is a bit smaller, which is good in a way, so you can easily fit it in your pocket or wallet. These Polymer notes are damn durable. Whether you scrunch it up, it will eventually come back as its original form. And there's no chance of tearing this plastic note apart too. So whether you accidentally placed it in the wash, it's been under some sort of dirt or stones, a spillage of water, or you just tread over it, it doesn't matter. These Polymer notes are built to last. So we got the 5, 10 and now the £20 notes in Polymer. Just waiting on the £50 note to make the switch.